a powerful video. And that was you.
Yes, sir.
Okay, standing here with me, Fred Reeves, a.k.a. Son of Ice. Welcome to Bounce Around Charleston.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, tell us about this motivational thing that you're doing.
Well, the name of the brand is called The Sound of Learning, and it's just to empower the youth through song and dance. So I come up with sometimes theme music for the schools, depending on what the schools is going by. And that one that you've seen the clip of was called The Blue Jay Way. So it's just telling them like how they respect others, how they achieve goals and pick their friends wisely. And I just do it in a hip hop form way to where it's current, where it's not a disconnect from school and outside world, because they'll be outside as well. So I want them to get the information while they're in school and out.
Okay, so what motivated you to come up with this idea?
Well, I have two sons of my own, Gabriel and Aiden, and they're 9 and 12. And one of them didn't know I'm not going to expose them, but one of them didn't know their continents. So that helped me to come up with a song, which was my first record, was called Student of the Year. And it had the continents in there. It had like what you should be achieving for, like a 4.0 average, grade average. So they're the one that started to encourage me to make music for the youth.
Okay, but I also noticed in some of your videos, you also work with the teachers.
Yes.
How's that?
Because I want it to be a connection where the teachers can relate, where they're not just, oh, that's just the teacher, or the teacher saying this. Make them feel cool as well, that they know a person like me that can relate and that's doing the things that the kids can relate also. So it's wanting to bridge the gap to where it's not, oh, that's what they listen to outside of here, but that's not what we teach in here. So I want to make the music hip hop to what they're teaching already. They're going to teach it regardless, but I'm putting it in forms to remember, because we remember a lot of things through our subconscious mind.
So how have you been received?
Oh, the love has been great. The only thing that is hard for me is like going to schools and some kids be under witness protection programs, so I can't give the love to the kids that I'm really impacting. But if they hearing this, I want them to let them know that I appreciate them and I love them a lot. But it's been going well. It's just I want to get the word out there. The service I provide, what I do, and everything is positive, even to like the songs I dance to, because I also dance as well. So I make sure what my dancing to is positive, where the kids will want to imitate and do.
So when you go into the school system, as I watched your videos, the kids are very involved.
Yes.
So what does that do for you?
It helps out a lot. That also let me know that I'm in the right lane with them, because if I don't get the kids' attention, it don't matter about anything else, because I don't got their attention. So the main thing is to get their attention. Then when I get their attention, to have substance behind me having their attention, so they can retain the information that I'm trying to give them to be a better of themselves, because my music is like character building. It's just building character.
Okay, so how do you choose the schools?
I don't have no choice of schools. It's I'm letting the service be known that is out there. The brand is The Sound of Learning. I'm the artist, Son of Ice, and I go to any and every school that allow me to come to their school and give this service that I provide.
Okay, well, we want them to know that we're going to watch one of your videos, and there will also be a live performance by a.k.a. Son of Ice right here on Bounce Around Charleston.
Son of Ice, it's the learning curve.
I be learning every day. That's that smart talk. You know knowledge is the wave. That's that smart talk. I be good like every day. That's that smart talk. Choosing my friends wisely. That's that smart talk. Teach them something. Benjamin Franklin. That's that smart talk. Andrew Jackson. That's that smart talk. Abraham Lincoln. Thomas Jefferson. George Washington. Yes, that's smart talk. Learning, I bench your weights. Country got 50 states. Country got 13 colonies. Independent in 1776. First time on the moon, 1969. There is 6,500 languages. Hola, that's Spanish. Guten Tag, that's German. Sabona, that's Zulu. Bonjour, that's French now. Ni hao, that's Chinese. 602, you need these. I think big like Jupiter. My word is learning every day. That's that smart talk. You know knowledge is the wave. That's that smart talk. I be good like every day. That's that smart talk. Choosing my friends wisely. That's that smart talk. Teach them something. Benjamin Franklin. That's that smart talk. Andrew Jackson. That's that smart talk. Abraham Lincoln. Thomas Jefferson. George Washington. That's that smart talk. Learning, I bench your weights. Show you how to get respect. First you work on your hygiene. Brush your teeth, wash your face. Then you put on your clothes, Then you get on your book bag. Then you head up to school, Let me tell you what you do next. First you get your books and get the learning for the day. Then you get the study, make sure you get that A. Make sure you use your manners like